Hey ladies, today we are going to try a home remedy for a condition on our hair, and we are going to use something that's natural that came from a plant, and it costs you $5 or under $5. So let's get into the video.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, but taking is all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess that seasons change. I cannot fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me, shit to me. You ain't shit to me, shit to me. You denied everything. I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. I cannot fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me, shit to me. You ain't shit to me, shit to me. You denied everything. I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move.
Okay, so we are done sectioning out the hair, and I made sure I put enough water in it so the aloe vera can really get into my hair. I've seen so many reviews on this. I have tried this maybe a year ago, and I did see some type of improvement in my hair, but I stopped because I was being lazy. So with that being said, what I learned about the aloe vera is it can benefit a lot of different things, like the skin, the hair, and people say the JJ. I haven't tried it, so I can't really say. But I heard it has many benefits as well. And one young lady I was watching who did the aloe vera, she was saying that she got her curl pattern back, and her hair was straightened at first, and then when she put the aloe vera on it, it reverted back to her natural curly state. And I was like kind of blown away about this, so I was like, I must try this to see about my curls. Now it is coming in, as you can see. I'm not really sure if you can see it, but I can see it. And she also said that you can leave it in throughout the night, or leave it in for an hour. So I'm going to leave it in for an hour and wash it out. Video, you will see how it looks. We are done today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video when I actually do my hair, and you will see how everything come out. So see you next time. Be safe and stay true, guys.
I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it.